Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize MongoDB Atlas access with API keys, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your MongoDB Atlas account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your organizations view. Locate the project where you want to create API keys. Click on Project Access in the left-hand menu. In the Project Access section, look for the API Keys tab. Click on Create API Key to start the process. You will see a form to fill out for your new API key. Enter a name for your API key that reflects its purpose. Select the appropriate project access level from the drop-down menu. You can choose roles such as read and data access, or full database access. After selecting the roles, click on the Create. Your API key and secret key will be generated. Copy the API key and secret key immediately, as the secret key will not be shown again. Store these keys securely, as they grant access to your MongoDB resources. Now, navigate to your application where you will use the API keys. In your application code, use the API key for authentication. You will typically include the API key in the headers of your API requests. Refer to the MongoDB Atlas documentation for specific API usage guidelines. Test your configuration to ensure that the API key works correctly. If everything is set up properly, you will gain access to your MongoDB resources through the API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.